Key highlights of humanoid AI robot startup companies in 2024. Advancements in neurotechnology. Companies like NeuroTech, Human Brain Technologies, and Corvus Neuro have made strides in brain-computer interfaces, neuromorphic engineering, and synthetic neurobiology. These technologies enable robots to read and interpret human brain signals, enhancing their ability to interact with humans. Advances in brain-computer interfaces. BCIs are providing more natural and intuitive control of robotic systems, which is crucial for applications in healthcare and assistive technologies. NeuroTech's latest BCIs are now able to decode complex motor intentions with high precision, which is beneficial for rehabilitation robotics. Additionally, synthetic neurobiology is allowing for more adaptive and responsive robot behaviors, closely mimicking human cognitive processes. Improved mobility and dexterity. Companies like iRobot, Canova, and Embryonics have developed advanced robotic arms, legs, and wheels that enhance the mobility and dexterity of humanoid robots. These technologies allow robots to perform complex tasks, such as grasping objects, climbing stairs, and navigating intricate environments. iRobot's latest innovation involves self-balancing legs that enable robots to maintain stability on uneven surfaces. Canova has introduced a new line of robotic arms with increased degrees of freedom, providing more nuanced control and manipulation capabilities. Embryonics has focused on lightweight, highly responsive actuators that significantly improve the agility and speed of humanoid robots. Increased intelligence and learning capabilities. Companies like OpenAI, Blue Origin, and Redwood AI have made progress in developing AI algorithms that enhance the intelligence and learning capabilities of humanoid robots. Robots can now learn from their environment, adapt to changes, and make independent decisions. OpenAI's generative AI models have enabled robots to understand and generate complex, human-like responses, improving interaction quality. Blue Origin's focus on reinforcement learning has led to robots that can optimize their performance through continuous learning. Redwood AI's innovations in unsupervised learning have made it possible for robots to learn from vast amounts of unlabeled data, significantly speeding up their adaptation to new tasks and environments. Applications in various industries. Humanoid AI robots are finding applications in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and entertainment. For example, robots are being used for surgical procedures, assembly tasks, and customer service. In healthcare, humanoid robots are assisting in surgeries with high precision and minimal invasiveness, improving patient outcomes. In manufacturing, robots are taking on more complex assembly tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing error rates. Logistics companies are utilizing humanoid robots for automated sorting and delivery, enhancing operational speed and accuracy. In entertainment, humanoid robots are being used as interactive guides and performers, providing unique and engaging experiences. Growing market growth. The humanoid AI robot market is growing rapidly, with a projected market size of $44.4 billion by 2030. Companies are investing heavily in research and development, as they see the potential for humanoid AI robots to revolutionize various industries. The integration of AI and robotics is expected to create new opportunities and drive innovation. Startups are focusing on reducing the cost of humanoid robots, making them more accessible for small and medium-sized enterprises. The increasing demand for automation and AI-driven solutions is fueling market growth, with significant investments from both public and private sectors. Additional notes. The development of humanoid AI robot startup companies has accelerated in 2024, with a focus on advancements in neurotechnology, mobility, intelligence, and applications. These technologies have the potential to transform various industries and significantly improve human-robot interactions. The market for humanoid AI robots is expected to grow significantly in the coming years, driven by technological advancements and increasing demand for automated solutions. Collaborative efforts between academia, industry, and government are further propelling innovation and addressing challenges related to safety, ethics, and regulatory standards. In summary, in 2024, humanoid AI robot startup companies are making significant strides in several key areas. Advancements in neurotechnology, innovations in brain-computer interfaces, neuromorphic engineering, and synthetic neurobiology are enhancing robots' ability to interpret human brain signals and interact naturally. Improved mobility and dexterity, advanced robotic limbs and mobility systems enable robots to perform complex tasks with greater precision and agility. Increased intelligence and learning capabilities. AI algorithms are allowing robots to learn from their environment, adapt, and make decisions independently, enhancing their functionality and interaction quality. Applications in various industries. Humanoid robots are being utilized in healthcare, manufacturing, logistics, and entertainment, performing tasks ranging from surgeries to customer service. Growing market growth. The market is projected to reach $44.4 billion by 2030. With heavy investments in R&D driving innovation and accessibility, these advancements are set to revolutionize various industries and significantly improve human-robot interactions with collaborative efforts, pushing the boundaries of what humanoid AI robots can achieve.